Hi Butterbar Beauties. I'm here with Bria today, part of our Butterbar skincare team, and I'm going to teach her how to make a detoxifying antioxidant scrub. Are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome. So starting out, we're going to need some black lava salt. We're also going to need lemon oil, grapeseed oil, and for added antioxidant benefits, you're going to want to grab our charcoal moringa clay mask. You can find that on mybutterbar.com. So let's get started. So we're going to take our black lava salt. We're going to be using about a cup of it. Pour that into your bowl. Next, we want to use a little bit of our activated charcoal moringa clay mask. You can use about however much you want of this. I'd say about 2 teaspoons should be enough. Here we go. Next, you want to add your grapeseed oil. Right here, we're going to be using about 1.5 to 2 ounces of oil. You can add more if you find that your scrub is a little bit too rough for you. And lastly, we're going to be using a little bit of lemon oil. Lemon oil is great for detoxification. It helps with cleansing the skin, as well as it has other health care benefits of detoxifying internally. Once your scrub is thoroughly incorporated, it should stick together just a little bit. Again, if you like your scrubs just a little bit looser, go ahead and add a little bit more grapeseed oil. This particular scrub I would definitely recommend using on your body, as it might be a little bit too harsh for your face with the lemon oil in it. Take a little bit in your hand. You can put it all over your body. Rub it in. Do note that it's going to be messy no matter where you use it, whether you use it in the shower or you use it over your sink. Afterwards, just rinse it off. And reveal clear, detoxified skin afterwards. Awesome. Beauties, make sure that you go to mybutterbar.com for more tips like this, and also to visit our skincare blog. Thank you so much, Bria, for joining me and making this scrub with me.